Today we're going to go over question 23 on 2012 Fermat contest. A bowl contains 320 grams of pure white sugar. Mixture Y was formed by taking X grams of white sugar out of the bowl, adding X gram of brown sugar to the bowl, and then mixing uniformly. In mixture Y, the ratio of mass of the white sugar to the mass of brown sugar expressed in the lowest term was W to B. Mixture Z is formed by taking X grams of mixture Y out of the bowl, adding X gram of brown sugar to the bowl, and then mixing uniformly. In mixture Z, the ratio of mass of the white sugar to the mass of the brown sugar is 49 to 15. The value of X plus W plus B is since we have the exact ratio of white sugar to the brown sugar of the mixture Z, so we can start from there. And let's first put the information told in the question into graph so it's easier to understand. In the initial mixture, we have 320 grams of white sugar, and in the mixture Y, we have X gram of white sugar taken out and X gram of brown sugar added in, so the total mass of sugar is still 320. And in the mixture Z, we have X gram of sugar taken out from mixture Y and X gram of brown sugar added in, so the total amount of sugar is still 320. Therefore, because we know the exact ratio of brown sugar to white sugar in the mixture Z, so we can get the mass of white sugar and brown sugar. So the mass of white sugar will be 320 divided by 49 plus 15 times 49, which is 245. And the mass of brown sugar would be 320 over 64, which is 49 plus 15 times 15, and this gives us 75. Okay, so the next piece of information that we can make use of is that in mixture Y, we have X gram of brown sugar and 320 minus X gram of white sugar. So in each gram of sugar in mixture Y, we have X over 320 grams of brown sugar and 320 minus X over 320 of white sugar. Which means when we are taking out X gram of sugar from the Y mixture, we're taking out X times X over 320 grams of brown sugar from the mixture. Since we now know the exact amount of brown sugar taken out of the mixture Y, so we can get the amount of brown sugar in mixture Z by using the initial amount of brown sugar in the Y mixture minus the amount of brown sugar taken out, and plus the X gram of brown sugar added in, and this would give us the total amount of sugar, which is 75. And if we solve this equation, we could get X equals to 40. Because in the problem it stated that the W to B is the ratio of white sugar to brown sugar, and we know that the amount of brown sugar in the mixture Y is 40, and the amount of white sugar will be 320 minus 40, and this gives us 71. And if we add them together, it would get us 40 plus 7 plus 1, which is 48, and the answer will be A.